Hello everyone, my name is Tina. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new here. Are you trying to make a wreath on a budget? In today's video, I show you my first experience with wreath making and I love it. Stick around until the end of the video as I share with you do's and don'ts using Dollar Tree items. The absolute best part? They are quick and easy to do. For the star-shaped wreath, you'll need star-shaped wreath form, gold and silver ornaments, glue gun, and extra glue sticks. Before you begin, protect your surface. This is one of the easiest DIYs to do. All you'll need to do is hot glue the ornament onto the wreath. The key is to lay out or have a rough idea on how you would like the ornaments to be displayed. Here, I chose to alternate the colors and the sparkly ornaments. Slightly smaller ornaments on the inner frame and larger ornaments on the outer frame. This is how it looks right now. I'll need to cover up the gaps in between. You can still clearly see the metal frame. Also, do you notice the glue strings? Those can be easily removed. To continue, I used the remaining 4 ornaments. For the finishing touch, I will be using this wonderful $1.25 packet of gold and silver glittered vase fillers foam balls. Wow, that was a mouthful. Since you'll need to hot glue the foam balls and they are tiny, use silicone finger protectors to protect your fingers. Finally, to emphasize the 5 edges of a star, add an ornament on each edge. By the way, the ornaments used here are foam ornaments. They are lightweight and easy to hot glue onto the wreath frame. Here is how the back of the frame looks like. Voila! A star is born. Here is your first quick and easy star-shaped holiday wreath. How beautiful is it? Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I love quick and easy DIYs. For the second wreath making DIY, you'll need circle wreath ring, 4 burlap ribbon, this handy dandy twist tie dispenser, 1 silver and 1 gold decorative mesh ribbon. First, prep your materials for your wreath. Cut the gold and silver mesh ribbon to about 6 inches in length and burlap ribbon to about 5 inches in length. Ready your twist ties. You'll need to know only one technique. Layer the gold ribbon first, silver second, and 3 layers of the burlap ribbon. Fold them up like so to form a bow. Get your twist tie, hold them together. And tie the bow to your wreath frame. Turn it around. Here it is. Adjust the shape and continue with the same process. I'll show you again. Layer your ribbons, gold at the bottom, followed by silver and the 3 burlap ribbons. Scrunch the ribbons. Using a twist tie, hold them together onto the wreath ring. Continue until your frame is filled with bows. This is how the frame looks like with bows. Adjust the shape and gaps in between. Second, using this packet of small berries decorative pieces, each bunch has 3 berries. Untwist, insert, and use one on each bow. Then, go ahead and twist the stem of the berries onto the wreath, or you can leave it like so. Here, I twist the stems onto the back of the wreath. Here is how the back of the wreath looks like. Finally, for the finishing touch, use a twist tie to hang this cute little star ornament in the middle of the wreath. Double knot it. Voila! Here is your second DIY wreath making with ribbons. It's quick and easy and beautiful. Isn't it neat? Now let's make a wreath with flowers. You'll need 5 bouquets of purple daisies, a heart-shaped wreath frame. All you'll need to do is cut off a stem with flower and twist it onto the frame. It really is this simple. Keep going until your wreath is filled with flowers. Here is how it looks using the full bouquets of flowers. Now we'll use all the green leaves from the bouquets and insert it into pipe cleaners. Cut out the size you need. Twist it onto your metal wreath. Don't you agree that it looks pretty cool? Continue to fill in your wreath with green leaves. To me, using the pipe cleaner to hold the flower and leaves onto the wreath is a game changer. Voila! Here is my beautiful heart-shaped flower wreath. Simple and elegant. I hope you enjoyed watching my video and found some value in it. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to watch how to easily customize a nightlight. You will be glad that you did.